media persons for their presence here today at very short notice. On behalf of Kashmir Chamber of Commerce and Industry and Apex Trade Body, I would like to express our sincere gratitude to all people of Kashmir for observing a complete Bandh yesterday in against the dastardly attack on innocent killings of tourists in Bison Pahalgam. Let me clear, we are not gathered here to discuss business losses. We are here to mourn human losses. It is with a heavy heart and extreme sadness that we address you regarding this tragic and inhuman incident in Pahalgam. The people of Kashmir denounce this violence in the strongest possible terms. Such acts have no place in our society, in our culture, or in our values. Kashmir has always been known for its hospitality. At the same time, numerous reports are coming from different parts of country that Kashmiri students and businessmen are being harassed for being Kashmiris. While our hearts are bleeding for those who were killed and our prayers are with their families, we appeal to the central government, particularly Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi ji, Union Home Minister Mr. Amit Shah ji, Lieutenant Governor Jammu Kashmir Manoj Sinha ji and Chief Minister Jammu Kashmir Mr. Umar Abdullah ji to intervene and ensure the safety of Kashmiri living outside Jammu and Kashmir. The shutdown on Wednesday across the valley was not merely a protest, it's a message that the community and the people of Kashmir stand united against innocent killings and violence in all its forms. We extend our deepest condolences to the families of victims. Their loss is immeasurable and we share in their grief. KCCI recognizes that our responsibility does not end with calling for a shutdown. We would like to emphatically reiterate that for the KCCI, human lives come far above any business considerations. Our primary concern is and always is the sanctity of the human life and the peace and security of all people in Kashmir. To the tourists who continue to visit Kashmir or are planning to do so in the future, we want to assure you that Kashmir remains a safe and welcoming destination. Kashmiris historically are committed to upholding our age-old tradition of hospitality and ensuring the safety and comfort of our guests. In closing, I would like to emphasize once more that we are not here to talk about business. It is human losses that we mourn. The KCCI remains committed to working with all stakeholders to promote peace, security and prosperity in Kashmir. Thank you.